Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the swift procedure of performing a factory reset on your Meta Quest 3, whether you are resolving persistent glitches or preparing to sell your device. The most reliable method is directly on the headset itself. Start by holding down both the power button and the volume down button simultaneously until a black boot menu flashes onto the internal display. Release the buttons immediately. Next, utilize the physical volume buttons on the underside of your visor to scroll down the menu options until you highlight the phrase Factory Reset. Once selected, tap the power button to confirm your choice. The menu will ask you to verify a second time. Scroll to Yes and click the power button once more. Alternatively, you can open the Meta Horizon app on your smartphone. Navigate into your device settings, select your connected Quest 3, and choose the Remote Factory Reset option from there. Your headset will automatically erase all user data, restart fresh, and display the initial out-of-the-box pairing screen. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.